Hello dear students, today in this video we are going to discuss about arithmetic mean, which is from class 8 statistics. Dear students, arithmetic mean is also known as mean or average. Arithmetic mean is a number. Arithmetic mean is a number that represents all the items of any given data. If a data is given, then all the items of a data we can represent by a single number, which is known as average. So dear students, let us now define what is called mean, arithmetic mean or average, or simply we can say mean. Dear students, arithmetic mean is simply known as mean also. So we can say mean, or we can say average, or we can say average, A-B-E-R-A-G. So dear students, the number that represents all the items, the number that represents all the items of any given numerical data, of all the items of any given numerical data. The data should be given in numbers. Numerical data is called the number that represents all the items of any given numerical data is called arithmetic mean. Or simply we can say mean, or we can say average of the given data. Average. So this let us take one example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Suppose a student has got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in 5 different subjects. Now we are going to find out the average marks obtained by the student. So already we know that the number that represents all the items of any given data is called arithmetic mean. Dear students, arithmetic mean is denoted by X bar. Now the property of arithmetic mean is it lies at the central part of the data. So this is, if a data is given, then we can find arithmetic mean, or simply we can say average, by inspection method also. That means we can easily guess what is the average of the given data. The arithmetic mean, or we can simply say mean, it lies at the central part of the data. So in this example, the number 6 lies in the central part of the data. So we can say 6 is the arithmetic mean. 6 is the arithmetic mean, or we can say the average of the given data. Now let's write down some formula to calculate the arithmetic mean, or simply we can say mean or average of the given data. So dear students, the first formula of arithmetic mean is X bar is equal to summation X by n. That means sum of items divided by number of items. Sum of items divided by number of items. And the second formula which we need in class 8 is X bar is equal to summation Fx divided by n. This is also sum of items divided by the number of items. So dear students, if an individual series is given, we have taken one example which is an individual series. The data is called individual series. In case of individual series, we are simply given the items 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There are 5 items, or we can say there are 5 numbers, which are also known as the items of the given data. So first we have to take sum of items. That means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. At first we have to calculate summation X, that means sum of items. Then we have to divide by number of items, n. N means number of items. So when we take the sum of items and divide by number of items, the number of items is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll get the average of given data. So by using the formula also, we'll get exactly the average of the given data equal to 6. So let's do the solution. Let's do the solution of example number 1 by using formula method. So first we have to find out summation x, that means sum of given items 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, which will be equal to 30. The sum of the items of given data is equal to 30. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 10 30. Now we have to find out number of items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are altogether 5 items. Now if we know sum of items and number of items, then according to the formula of arithmetic mean, we can easily calculate the average of given data. So dear students, according to the formula, we know that x bar is equal to summation x by n. Summation x by n. Summation x is 30 and n is 5. N is 5. That means 6. The average of the given data is equal to 6, which exactly lies at the central part of the data. So dear students, so we can easily calculate, if any individual stage data is given, we can easily calculate the average of given data by using the formula x bar is equal to summation x by n. And the second formula is x bar is equal to summation fx by n, which is used for discrete stage data. When items and frequency are given, then the data is called discrete stage data. So dear students, we'll discuss the example of discrete stage data in the next video. So before we end this video, let's review what is called arithmetic mean, or simply we can say mean or average of any given data. So this means the number that represents, if a data is given, then we find out a number. The number that represents all the items of any given data is called average, which is known as arithmetic mean, or simply we can say mean also. So dear students, we have taken an example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There are 5 items 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we are going to find out a number which will represent all the items of the given data. So already we have calculated by using the first formula x bar is equal to summation x by n, that means 30 divided by 5. So we have to take sum of items at first and divide by the number of items. Then we can easily find the average of given data. Now dear students, the average of given data we have already calculated 6. Now 6 represents all the items. That means 6 represents the marks of each and every 5 subject in according to our given data. So now 6, 2 is represented by 6, 4 is represented by 6, 6 is also represented by 6, 8 is also represented by 6, and 10 is also represented by 6. The number that represents all the items of any given data is called average. I hope you have understood what is called average, what is called mean. And if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy, please subscribe it so that you'll get the regular updates of important questions and the solution and their solutions. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you'll get the notification on your device. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.